Hey, what's up guys, it's me Probin Chetri. I'm back again with the new video on my YouTube channel. So summer is finally here guys. Lots of boys and men, are you looking for short hairstyle in summer? This video is for you, because in this video I'm gonna talk about the best summer short hairstyle for men and boys. Guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, let's move into the video. So we have in first list best short hairstyle in summer. It's buzzcut. So guys, let's talk about the buzzcut hairstyle. This hairstyle is trending all over the world, and this is the best hairstyle for the summer 2023. A buzzcut hairstyle give you sexy and masculine looks for the man and fresh look for the boys. And this hairstyle does not take too much time to style your hair, like for the long hair it take too much time. You have to put the hair gel on your hair and comb in a different side, different style. It's taking too much time. So sometime you are going to meet your friends or girlfriend or somewhere in the party, buzzcut hairstyle, it does not take too much time. It will be ready within 1 minute. So guys, this is the easiest way to maintain your hairstyle in short time. So guys, check out the list 5 different types of buzzcut hairstyle and try on out on your hair. So let's check out the first list. We have crew buzzcut. Let's check out the second list. We have the military buzzcut. Let's check out the third list. We have medium buzz. Check out the fourth list. We have buzz with a fade. And let's check out the last list. We have high fade buzzcut. So guys, which one is your best type of buzzcut hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. So I will back again with this type of lots of video like man grooming, man fashion, man style, and the haircut and hairstyle. So guys, stay healthy, stay peace, love you all.